Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we try to see how to enter into the embedded world. This video for the aspirant, those who want to enter into the embedded world. Embedded systems, it has been divided into the three categories at the functional level. The first one will be the embedded firmware, the second one will be the embedded RTOS, the third one will be the embedded OS. In this video, we try to focus on the embedded firmware alone. In the embedded firmware also, there are two main categories. One is hardware, another one is software. Now let us discuss one by one. In the software, we try to see using the existing development reference board, we try to take it and do experiment by using IDE, integrated development environment. So in that one, we try to familiarize with what are the APIs or what are the functions that the IDE provide, how to flash it, how to do the existing projects which already been on the development board, and then we need to take a different sensor board that are available in the market, like a temperature, humidity, rain detector sensor. So such sensors we try to take it and interface it by ADC, I2C, SPI, UART. Then we try to get the data and process it with a given our own given libraries and send the data to the display or in 7-segment display or in LCD, LED. So this is the scope of the work, and we try to see it how to use existing and the new libraries. And apart from that one, there as a software engineers, we try to provide the block diagram and the flow chart, state machines, and acceptance test, functionals and module, a project related test we need to do it. This is related to the embedded firmware job. And related to embedded hardware, we try to take the existing hardware and tweak it and make the custom board, and then we try to procure the components and we try to create the PCB 2 layer, 4 layer, 6 layer, 8 layer, and where we need to place the components and the tracking, all the hardware related things they try to take care about it. And finally they try to do the acceptance testing at the hardware level. So the hardware vertex is like this, the software vertex is like this, and you need to communicate both of you in such a way that this project can be completed. In this video we have provided the steps. If you can take a baby steps, you can achieve it rather than overwhelming and rather than the laziness. Take a baby steps and write what are the projects you have done in a resume and showcase in a LinkedIn or Monster or in a Naukri, and you find the embedded companies and go and post your resume in their website such a way that you will get the call. So these are the steps. If we can follow it, we can definitely land in the embedded job within 30, 45 days or 60 days. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. That will help a lot. Thank you very much.